and welcome back in JotUrl. Today I will show you how to configure your own branded domain. To do this, you just need to click here on the top right and then click on Settings. Now click on Domains, and here you can configure your branded domains. Just click on Add New, and then here I type in my branded domain, and then I select where to redirect users if they just click on my branded domain. I choose my own website, and here you have to select your domain to upload your domain logo. Pay attention at the dimension. Okay, and now you have two choices. You can select do not perform security checks to don't let JotUrl perform security checks and add the domain anyway. So, for example, because it's a test, I click on this one, and then I click on Save. Okay, here you can find your own branded domain. There's no image at the moment because just a test, but to show you where you will find your branded domain, just create a new tracking link, and you will find your own branded domain here. You can find it, just click it, and here you can type your alias, you can put test, and it's done. Very easy, very fast, so enjoy it. Bye bye.